on sensation approach in acute cases. But before we go to any acute phenomenon, we should know the definition as what has been described in Organon. Dr. Hahnemann says acute illness is rapid illness process of the abnormally mistuned life principle which are suited to complete their course more or less quickly, but always in a moderate time. Therefore, an acute is a condition which is limited in time and duration. It has a beginning, middle and an end. There are three kinds of acute things which we generally see in our practice: mild, which lasts a few hours; normal, which can last a few days; severe and prolonged, which we see as subacute conditions or an acute exacerbation of a chronic illnesses. Now, this is the most important aspect in treating any acute illness. However good you are in your homeopathy, if these things are not followed, then your prescription and your treatment may not be the rightest for the patient. Proper diagnosis. We should know what we are treating. I firmly believe in medicine there is something like, there is nothing like I partially know. Either I know or I don't know. There is nothing in between. If you know it thoroughly. If you don't know, get yourself acquainted with it. To share you my experience, I give lot of importance to observation in case taking, especially in acute illnesses. Observation in the sense what I see in the patient, what happens in my clinic right from the time the patient is in the waiting room till the time he walks out of the waiting room, because acute illnesses are where the sensitivity is at its peak. You do not have to probe the patient to ask, tell me what your feeling is or what your sensation is. What is actually happening is the sensation, is the experience of the person. So, there is nothing that you can leave. So, at the moment when he enters to the moment he leaves, he is always speaking all symptoms. Careful questioning. Why this is more important? See, you know what is questioning? Many a times when a child is brought to you, the parents are in a state of very hyper, I mean they are hyper in the terms of anxiety or the worry of what the child may be having, and in this the mother panics and tells you all those things which are not required to know. I did this, then I did this, then I went there, then I got this thing, and the child was crying so much, the fever was very, very, very high. All the adjectives which she describes are not of much importance, but if the mother is a good nurse rather than a good mother, it becomes more important. She gives us exact detail of what the child did from the time when he was not well. Some of the things which are left out in a homeopathic clinic is a detailed examination. We go so much on symptoms that the examination of the patient is left out. So, a detailed examination is very important, a proper analysis of whatever information that you have got, and repertory. Though you can see the sensation prominently, but repertory is an aid which helps in all acute illnesses. Again, I am telling you why it is important in a lot of cases, especially which are fevers, the pathological fevers, or in cases which are chest congestions. You should be able to differentiate between if it is an asthma, a bronchiolitis or something, so that you know the prognosis of the case, how the or pneumonia, so that you should know where the child is heading to. In case you do not diagnose it, the patient is not going to recover the right way. If you are not sure, investigate the case. Very important, we investigate the case. Examination of all vitals like the pulse, the temperature, the blood pressure, the level of orientation, this helps a lot in prescription. The respiratory system examination, per abdominal examination to see organomegaly, and the most important part from the homeopathic repertorization is if the partial coldness, heat, sweat, you examine, touch the patient everywhere, and you may sometimes find a part which is sweating, which is, and the rest of the body not sweating, which the mother will never tell you.